Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2019 Toyota Tundra 1794 in midnight black. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, chrome running boards, a tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 22,000 miles on the odometer, an 8-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, and it's all powered by a 5.7 liter V8 engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6624A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.